Hey guys, have you also experienced such a situation? Cleaning here always takes a lot of time. Using a damp cloth to wipe over time can cause some wear and tear to the inside. Today, I'm introducing to everyone this removable lower storage box for the door handle. Easy to clean and protects the car interior. First, flip it over, as you need to ensure it's securely adhered. Start by inserting the bottom part, then stick and secure it from the bottom up. Pay attention to this adhesive. Peel off this adhesive to ensure it sticks to the inner wall. In my opinion, this isn't too complicated, but please maintain patience while installing. If you like today's recommendation, please help by giving it a thumbs up and subscribing. Thank you for watching.